Hey guys, this is Todd Collins. Hey, this video is really about part 3 of improvements we've made to our house. We did a couple of segments or blogs a year ago or so on some of the initial things we've done, but more recently we've changed a few more things with the intent of cutting the gas, going all electric. Back in 22, there were some pretty significant price fluctuations due to the global demand in natural gas, and our bills actually doubled. It went from about $5.25 a year to over $1,200 a year. And we'd like to eventually go zero energy, or net zero anyway. We don't have enough solar on the roof to do that, but we'll eventually add more. But our intent is, basically to reduce the risk or impacts of various price changes over time. And it's only guaranteed, energy costs are only guaranteed to go up. So that's kind of where we're going. So there are two things that we've just done. One is we've changed over from a gas water heater and a gas furnace to heat pumps on both. So a heat pump water heater and a Mitsubishi, and that's an A.O. Smith water heater, heat pump water heater, and then a Mitsubishi whole house furnace. Now we selected GB3, or Bill Lucas, to actually do the installation. Bill's been doing this type of work for many years, and he does both hot water heaters as well as furnace installations, and I should say heat pump hot water heaters and heat pump furnace and even mini split installations. Bill was a no-brainer for me because of a number of reasons. One, he's good, he's smart, he knows what he's doing. He likely does a better job at some of the components than even the electrical components than electricians. He's quite adept at that. He also listens, and we wanted to move, for example, the compressor to the south side of the house because this is a heating climate and that side of the house actually warms up in the winter. I can actually feel heat radiating from the bricks on the south side. I felt like, okay, let's put it on the outside compressor on the outside at the south end rather than the east, the west, because it's going to heat that side of the building up and make it the compressor for the heat pump furnace work more efficiently. Now, when the sun's not shining at night, it's all bets are off. All right, so this is the new hot water heater that's going in, and it's going to replace our old gas water heater. It's a heat pump hot water heater made by A.O. Smith. So this is the new unit that went in and replaced our old furnace. It's the Mitsubishi. Here's the model number. I don't know if you can see that, but PVA 36, I guess, 36,000 BTUs. But the old unit, when it came on, the air handler was crazy loud and it would just blow tremendous amounts of air. And it was noisy.